You want to work with your hands. You want to be able to make something, work with something raw, and then walk out the front of the shop and see your handiwork sitting on there, and then a customer buying your handiwork and commenting saying, "This is the best ciabatta we've ever had." That's when you can be really proud of what you've been able to achieve, and that sets apart the ones who are just in it because it's a job.
What do I love? What don't I love? Everything, like creating new things, just being creative.
I love baking because I'll get to see the end product at the end of the day. I love seeing the end product. It actually means I've done something for the day. I can see how good it looks. Other people are buying it.
I've never worked in an organisation that so actively encourages excellence with their students. We sit on boards with baking industry associations and all sorts of groups, and little old GOTAFE is punching above its weight most of the time. We're doing stuff other TAFEs are looking at saying, why aren't we doing that?
I like my apprentices to learn something different. Of course, I have to learn the basics, but if they learn something different and new, then that's going to help my business. So if I'm interested and I have an open dialogue with the teachers here, which I always do and they're always fantastic, that's going to make my business better and hopefully the baking industry better as a whole.
To be a good baker, you've got to have, you've got to have patience.
To be, you need to turn it up, I guess.
So passion, resilience, patience, it's critical elements to be an apprentice baker.
Trainers here are amazing and they're all lovely to talk to. If you have a question, they'll set you in the right path.
Nate will help you if you want to help yourself.
They're all here for the right reasons. They're all here to learn. That's what I aim to send them out with more knowledge than they came in with.